The Rams have the #1 offense in the NFL. Does feel like a little bit of a test today.
It certainly is a test, but I'm not sure the Rams see it that way because they are confident in what they're doing. They have one of the hottest young coaches in the league in Sean McVay. But Mike Zimmer says they have to prove it to us, and we're going to find out real soon.
So let's go be great today, huh? Let's go be great. Be great on 3. 1, 2, 3.
As we get to see Jared Goff on the road, he has simply been spectacular.
Is he going to get after him early? What type of pressure will he bring?
And a 3rd and 11, little intimidation for you.
Fans on their feet at US Bank Stadium. Jared Goff out of the shotgun. 5-step drop, right foot on the goal strike, and he's sacked. Jared Goff was sacked. Back at the 1-yard line by Danielle Hunter.
Nowhere to go. Good job, D. Come on, baby. Now you know you're right.
Thielen in trouble. Here comes quick, missed. But he gets help from the teammates. His throw, and it's completed. How in the world did that work? But it did to Thielen, who's got a first down. He told us there was no chance he was going to sign back with the Rams. I mean, I can't even imagine what he's feeling right now.
What he's feeling is he'd like to show the Rams what they gave up. So even though they had Jared Goff, he wants to go back and show that organization he can play. And here's a great opportunity for him here.
Here we go. 2nd and goal from the 8. 7-0 Los Angeles. Latavius Murray the single set. Case Keenum's under center. Takes the outline snap. Handoff Latavius. Room up the middle. Hits on the 5. Into the end zone. Touchdown! Latavius Murray. 7-6 Rams.
Well, that's an 8-yard run, and the Rams had everybody at the line of scrimmage. All you need to do is open up one gap. Latavius Murray found it, cuts underneath the arm tackle, and bam, touchdown. 7 yards, head of steam, big man. The Viking offense is rolling right now.
The first place feast is tied at 7.
You don't want it! Come on, Adam! Oh, he wants it! He wants it! He wants it! Get up! Go more! Go more!
What's the call, Sean McVay? 3rd down and 4. Rams knocking on the door. Goff throwing over the middle, complete. It's Cup. Lunging for the ball's out. Minnesota's got it. Cup fumbled at the 1, and Anthony Harris recovers.
Anthony Harris, with that strong right arm, stripped the ball away and recovered it. Well done, young man.
Let's give you an idea about how this game has gone. We have two of the top 4 teams in explosive plays here today. We have no plays longer than 28 yards in the game. Defense has owned it for the most part.
How fired up is this place right now? Holy cow.
That's what it's all about, baby. 2-7-2 teams.
How many fans are on their feet?
And now we've got a 7-7 game. Minnesota's missed a couple opportunities, and here's Goff.
Handoff, Gurley, bit of rumor on the left side, but Terrence Newman trips him up for a tackle for loss. Into the game, had 0 tackles for loss. He has 2 today because big players come up big in big games.
Big time play. Big time players, big time play. Nice job. Play time, let's have some fun, huh? Play time, let's go score.
7-7, Vikings football. Trying to make something happen like that. And Murray with a big hole in the shoulder across midfield.
They left Thielen's there. Caught at the 28. He left his feet. Keenum to Thielen, and a big first down for the Minnesota Vikings.
Hey, let's finish this thing off right. Let's finish this thing off right with 7, man.
We start the 4th quarter. Minnesota has it, knocking on the doorstep here.
Under center, 2nd and goal from the 2, game tied at 7. Handoff Latavius, up the middle, grinds at the 2. To the 1, to the goal stripe, touchdown! Latavius Murray!
So this is a Latavius Murray kind of game, and he has been grinding out and getting those tough yards.
Thank you, Sack Daddy. Thank you, Sack Daddy.
2 receivers right. Thielen to the left, digs out of the game. Keenum takes the snap. Big blitz by the Rams. So Keenum passes left. Caught by Thielen. 50, 40, 30, and he's loose!
And Thielen
dagger right through the heart of his former team. It's a 65-yard touchdown, and the Vikings lead 27.
Thielen, the guy who comes up with the big plays every time you get.
An enormous play. There's the explosive play for Thielen, who's over 100.
The biggest reception for Adam Thielen this year, and we're about to go 2 touchdowns up on a 7-2 Rams team.
Go get you one now. Go get you one. Great call, baby.
Well, you have to credit this Viking team, have hung in there. They did not let any of that affect them.
And they look like they're well on their way to their 6th straight win.
Solid team, Paul.
Nice job.
Hey, I'm ready for Thursday. Let's play.